The birds are chirping. Such a beautiful weather today.
So hello everyone, my name is Arish. So you can see today is the weather so beautiful. So you can see the crows growing and they are so happy with the weather. And they are double happy because I have made story for them.
So Arish has written a story while observing outside his window. The birds chirping, you can see, and crow is sitting on the coconut tree here. So Arish, you narrate your story. This is the first ever story that Arish has written.
By myself,
Say what you have written.
there was a crow named Coco. He lived in a tree and he loved coconut. So you can see he loves coconut. That's why he is sitting on a coconut tree.
Yes.
Once he found a home
Hmm.
like that.
Yes.
Then the crow take his mother to the home. They had gold.
Crow, they have gold.
No, I have
Okay, it's just a
made
story.
by my imagination.
Okay, out of his imagination he has made, right? Very nice. Then?
But one day
Mm-hmm.
they get poor.
Oh,
Then they saw a thief
okay.
stealing all his gold.
Crow is also having gold. Wow. Then?
Then a boy stopped stealing that crow's gold. Then the boy made the crow his pet. The end.
Very good. Whatever you have written, it's very good. Thank you.
Thank you. I will tell you the moral of the story.
What's the moral of the story?
You can see everything but not gold. Yes, this is the moral.
Gold is imaginary particle, na mama? Imaginary one. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.